Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to run message ads using Meta Ads Manager on Facebook and Instagram, how to run message ads. As you can see, I am into my ads manager and here we have an option of creating a new campaign. I will simply click on the create button and here we will select the engagement. As we have already discussed, engagement is good for running message ads. So I've selected the ad campaign objective and now I will click on continue. And as we have already discussed that we need to run manual engagement campaign instead of advantage plus campaign. So I'm going to select this and I will click on continue. And if you don't know why to run manual engagement campaign instead of like advantage plus campaign, just simply visit our YouTube channel and check our Meta Ads playlist and you will come to know why we are doing this, right? As we cannot discuss each and everything again and again, right? So here we can simply change the campaign name. So I have changed my campaign name, and as you can keep anything as a campaign name, right? As this particular campaign name is not be visible to users watching your ad, it's just for your reference, like which campaign you ran for which reason, right? Here in the budget section we are going to select the ad set budget in spite of campaign budget because it is advantage plus campaign budget and we are not going to select this. We are going to select the budget at ad set level instead of campaign level, and I'm going to uncheck this. Share some of your budget with other ad set. A/B testing will remain off, and we are not going to select ad category, special ad category, because our ad doesn't belongs to special ad category. If your ad belongs to special ad category, then you can simply select that particular special ad category, else there is no need. Now I will click on next. Here in the ad set name we can simply type whatever the ad set name we want to keep, and it won't be visible again to your users. It's just for your reference. Here in the conversion location I have already selected the message destination because I want each and every inquiry to directly land onto my messaging destination, right? Because I want the CTA button of message simply. Okay, the Facebook page has already been selected and now it is asking me where you want people to message you, right? As if I want to get messages on my WhatsApp business, and then I will simply select the WhatsApp business, but make sure your WhatsApp must be of WhatsApp business or WhatsApp business API. It's not be a individual WhatsApp, right? So I have selected this WhatsApp business. Now I can uncheck the Instagram and Messenger because I want all messages to come on my WhatsApp business, not on Instagram and Messenger, else it would be hard for me to manage all the platforms together and reply all the inquiries by visiting each and every platform, right? And in WhatsApp there is one more advantage that we get the contact number of the customer or person making inquiry. So if he or she doesn't replies to us, we can simply call them, right, for follow. Here in the performance goal it is already selected. Maximize number of conversation. I want maximum number of conversations to happen. At the budget level we can set daily budget whatever we want. Okay, I want to run my ad with 380 bucks a day, so I have just simply selected my budget. We can also schedule our ad as I want my ad to run for next 10 days, so I have selected the end date and start date of my ad set, right? We can simply select whatever date you want to select. Okay, done. Scrolling down, now coming to the audience part. Here we can choose the location where we want to run our ad. As I want to run my ad in the periphery of my office, and I have selected my office location, and I want to run my ad in whatever distance. I have selected that also, right? Okay, scrolling down, here we can also adjust the minimum age of people whom we want to show our ads. So it can vary as per country to country and business to business. Okay, I will select 23 over here. Okay, scrolling down in the audience suggestion optional part, we can also set the maximum age of people whom we want to showcase our ad. Okay, I have selected that. We can also choose the gender here as well, as I'm going to show my ads to both genders, so I'm not going to select it. In the detailed targeting part, we can enter the filter to whom we want to show our ad, right? So I am willing to show my ad to small business owners, so I will simply enter that and select the behavior filter. To learn more about detailed targeting, we have created dedicated video on it. You can simply visit our YouTube channel and can check the playlist of meta ads, and you will come to know what detailed targeting is all about. Right here, there are basically, you can target people on the basis of interest, behavior and demographics, right? So your ad reaches to the right audience. So whatever filter you want to select as per your business, you can simply select in detailed targeting. Scrolling down to the placement part, here I'm going to select manual placement, as my ad creative is of 1:1 or a square banner I have. So I am just willing to run my ads in feeds, because feed supports 1:1 or square banner, and in stories and reels it supports 9:16 size of banner. So I'm not going to run my ad in this. Else if I run my ad creative in stories and reels, my ad would, as my ad size is inappropriate, so my ad will be visible to people, but on the top and the bottom there would be a black line to cover this space. So I'm not going to select stories and reels. I'm not going to select in-stream ads for placement, and also not search results, and also not absent sites. I just want my ads to run in the feed section, because feed supports 1:1 banner. Okay, we can run our ad in Instagram Explore, because ad would be perfect and would be visible to people and is of good size. But in Instagram Explore home, I am not running my ad, because in Instagram Explore, as you can see in the preview, our ad size would be very much less and people won't be able to read our ad creative. So I'm not going to run my ad in Instagram Explore home. Coming to the ad creative level, here partnership ads need to be turned off. Okay, my Facebook page and Instagram account has already been selected. In the ad setup level, we are going to run ad directly by uploading our ad creative in the ad campaign. We have not posted on Instagram, neither on Facebook page, right? So single image ad I'm going to run, not the carousel, and I've unchecked the multi advertiser ads option. Here on we will click on image ad and set up creative, and I will simply select my banner which I want to advertise. You can also upload your image video by clicking on upload and choosing from the system. As I have already uploaded, I will simply select and I will click on next. Okay, again on next. Here we can enter the caption of this image or primary text. You can enter it manually, as well as you can take help of AI to generate some good caption, and you can mention your business address over here, whatever you want to showcase to your users, right? In the headline, you can enter some good catchy headline, attractive headline, so people message you more. And in the description, you can add additional details, and here is the CTA button text. You can select whatever the text you want on the button as call to action text. So send WhatsApp message is a good CTA text. I will simply click on next. Now coming into the advantage plus creative enhancement, if you want Meta AI to enhance your ad creative, you can simply click on done, or can turn them on, as I am not willing that Meta AI to participate in enhancing my ad creatives. I just want my ad creatives to showcase to users as they actually are. So I have turned them off and I will click on done. So here our ad campaign is ready. As soon as we click on publish, our ad would get live, right? If I want my ad to run on like stories and reels section as well, and if I have ad creative of 9:16, then we can like run our ad in both the placement feeds and stories and reels by two methods. First of all, let me tell you the simplest method. We can simply duplicate our ad set. Okay, I have duplicated my ad set. I've created a multiple ad set in the same ad campaign, and I will simply rename this ad set as SR for stories and reels. And here coming down, like all settings are already duplicated, so we need not to change any of the settings. So we can simply select the stories and reels, and here I am going to uncheck the feeds, right, as this ad set would only appear in the stories and reels. So I have selected the stories and reels as a placement. Now coming to the ad creative of the story and reel ad set, I need to change the ad creative. So I will simply delete the older creative, and again I will select the image ad and the portrait banner of 9:16. So I have selected it. We can simply make the same settings. Okay, click on done. So now our ad would be visible on both the placement in the feeds and stories and reels. In the feeds, people will see our ad creative of 1:1 size, whereas in the stories and reels, people will see our ad creative of 9:16 that we have selected or uploaded, right? This was one method. It was the simplest method. In this, you need to create multiple ad set on the basis of placement. But if you don't want to create multiple ad set, as multiple ad set will have different budget, so I'm just deleting this ad set. Again, I'm telling you the another way. Okay, in the ad set level, we can select both the placements together. Okay, I have selected feeds as well as stories and reels. So in the same budget, in the single budget, our ad will be showcased on both the placement with the right ad creative size. So how we can do it? Coming on to the ad creative level, I'm scrolling down. Here we can simply change the ad creative of story, status and reel by clicking on pen. I will click on change. I will select the 9:16 manner and will click on save. So like we have changed the ad creative of feeds and stories and reels in the single ad creative of the single ad set. Now as you can see in the preview, our ad is very much of appropriate size in feeds. Our square banner is displaying, but scrolling down to stories and reels, our 9:16 banner is displaying, right? And we can simply click on publish. So here we have learned how to create call ads on Meta Ads Manager. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can directly purchase the course from there. Thank you.
इस टॉपिक के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए या हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने के लिए वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।